In this video, I'm gonna show you a setup to turn on and setup to turn off so as to get more views in your video. Before I continue, make sure you subscribe our YouTube channel for more content concerning about tips, strategies and tools on how to grow the YouTube channel. My name is Shafi and this is Tube Mastering. Here we go. After told you that, let us go directly to the YouTube Studio dashboard so as to turn on some setup and to turn off some setup so as to get more views in your video. We are going direct to the YouTube Studio dashboard. After entering in a YouTube Studio dashboard, this is what will be appeared. From your bottom of your dashboard YouTube Studio, you will see setting. You are going direct to the setting so as to turn on some setting and to turn off some setup so to get more views in your video. After click on setting, this is what will appear. You will see different features like general, channel, upload default, permission, community moderation, and agreement. In our setup today, we are using two features. Features number one is in channel. In channel, there is some setup must be turned on and there are some setup must be turned off. Also in upload default. In upload default, there is some features or there is some setup must be turned on and there is some setup must be turning off. First, we starting in a channel so as to turn on some setup and to turn off some setup so as to get more views in your video. We click on channel. After clicking on channel, this is what will be appear. You will see a basic info, you will see advanced setting and feature eligibility. In a setup that I'm going to turn on and to turn off, we are supposed to enter in advanced settings so as to turn on some features and to turn off some features, or to turn on some setup or to turn off some setup. We click directly to the advanced setting. After you click in advanced setting, this is what will be appears. You will see the features like this. In this area, we are going to turn on in area of channel as made for kid or channel as not made for kid. So as to get more views, you are supposed to choose one among of these three options so as to set as a default in your YouTube channel. In this area, there are three settings or there are three options. In this three options, you must be needed to choose one option to set as a default in your YouTube channel. Option number one, you will accept yes, set this channel as made for kids. Option number two, you disagree, no, set this channel as not made for kids. In order to get more views, you are supposed to set no, set this channel as not made for kids so as to get more views in your content or in your video. Here we choose option number two, no, set this channel as not made for kids. After finishing this setting, we scroll down to see another setting or another features to turn on or to turn off so to get more views in your video. We scroll down a little bit. After scrolling down a little bit, you will see a clips. This area must be turning off, so we turn it off. After finishing this, let us scroll down to see what another features must be turning on or turning off. This is a third-party training. Also, these features must be turned on. Third-party training, this allows third-party company to train AI model use my content or use your content. Means what? You allow the AI companies to use some of content in their training or whatever. For example, if ChatGPT, people search for how to grow YouTube channel. ChatGPT explain on how to grow YouTube channel, but also it shows some related video from YouTube which teach on how to grow YouTube channel. So this feature must be turning on. We turn it on. After turning it on, you will also turn on all third-party company to use your content. We turn it also on. After finishing this, we are going to another area which you must be turning it on also. We are going to the feature eligibility. In this feature, you are supposed to turn or to enable all of these three options. Option number 1 is standard features, option number 2 intermediate features, and option number 3 is advanced features. All of these features must be turned or enabled. So I advise you to enable these all features in your YouTube channel so as to get more views in your video. After finishing this, we are going to the upload default. We click on upload default. After clicking on upload default, this is what will be appear. You will see basic info and you will see advanced setting. We are going direct to the advanced setting so as to turn on some features and to turn on off some features. We click on advanced setting. After clicking on advanced setting, it will appear like this. You will see different feature and different option which you need to fill it. But I will show some important features and or some important options that you are supposed to fill in. Here we are going direct to the category. Here you are supposed to choose any category which your content made. Here there is a different category. For example, if your YouTube channel based on music production, you are supposed to choose a category of music. Or if your YouTube channel your content deal with education, you are supposed to choose education category. If your channel or your content you made deal with sports, you are supposed to choose sports categories. This is very important thing that you are supposed to fill it, because you help YouTube algorithm to know what kind of content you made in your YouTube channel, and the YouTube algorithm recommend your video or your content to the special or to the audience that are related to your content. Here let us choosing education. After finishing this, let us scroll down to see another feature that must be turned on or that must be turned off. Another feature that you're supposed to turn off is show how many viewers like this video. This feature also must be turning off. Why we turn off these features? I see many audience or many viewers, so also this feature must be turning off. We turn it off. After finishing this all setting, we save our setting.